Hi, I'm Lynn with Blue Knight Rubber Stamps, and today I'm gonna show you the mirror technique. And we will do two different stamps. One is the little frog that comes with the lily pond. He is actually only facing one direction, but I'll show you how you can make it look like you have two frogs that are facing each other. The second one will look like a reflection in the water, and both these techniques are very simple. I think you'll enjoy this. I want to show you the mirror image here, and on this is the lily pond, and he comes with a frog that you can color and a silhouette frog, but they're both facing the same direction. And there's been a little confusion because on the packaging you can see two frogs facing different directions. So what I actually did was I used the mirror image, and you can see them here as well. So that's the first one we're going to do. Then the second one, I'm going to show you how to do the mirror image, and it looks like the stag has his reflection in the water. So this one will involve cutting out with the frog, and I won't make you watch that, but I am going to take the little frog off, and so it doesn't matter where he is because he will be cut out later. So we stamp him, and you stamp him to be as dark as you want. And then I have a little piece of, here it is. It's a little piece of, it's not really acetate, it's actually just laminate. And I'm gonna put him down here, hold it down so I can stamp it a couple of times. And I'm going to stamp right on top of that. And then you can see he's there, and you're just going to lay your paper down right on top, and you don't want to wiggle it, you just want it to press. And you can see you get the mirror image. And had I put it in the corner, which would have been a good idea, so we'll do that again. You can do it until you get it dark enough. Put my paper in the corner, put this in the corner, press it. If I want it to get a little better, same thing, you can just keep going until you get the image that you want. Back in the corner. And after it dries, then you just color him and you cut him out, and the same thing with the other ones, and then you'll have two frogs facing different directions. And I just think frogs should be facing each other so they look like they are playing together. And that's how simple that is. So then we can go ahead and do the stag. So we're going to use our little laminate piece for that as well. And I have him all lined up. Right, so actually I wanted him to be this way. So I want him at the very top so that there's room for him at the bottom. And actually, I forgot. I want to color a little bit first. So I know what I want to color. I want to do like a little bit of a sky, and I'm going to make it a little darker where the water is, so I'll finish up after I put the deer on. So again, it just is going to be a quick little, add a little light blue, So this is just the first part, so it's okay. It's just going to be fast. There we go. Now we're ready to stamp. And I do want this to be nice and dark. Again, I'm not going to press where the words are because we want them to be nice and crisp. Oh, the deer looks like he needs a little bit more. There we go. He looks good now. So we're going to take this off and we're going to put our acetate back on. I'm going to make sure that's clean. And we're going to get a real nice image, and I'm going to take the words off as well because we don't need those for the reflection. Now this is going to be exactly where the reflection is going to be. I did want to make the water a little darker now that I know that this is the water part. I want it darker at the top. There you go. And now I can put my picture right exactly opposite. And like always, you can lift up to see if you got what you want. And it's okay that it's a little splotchy because it's reflecting in the water, so you don't want as crisp of an image. It's going to just look like it's reflecting out of the water. And that's all there is to it. I did add a little bit of black pan pastel around the edges to just give it a little bit more character. And there you can see the finished cards again. So it's a fun technique. I hope you try it. Happy stamping!